Okay, so you may have 3D printed files before, but have you ever taken an STL file and sliced it up into thicker slices of like foam, plywood, or cardboard? Well, this app will show you how to do that quite easily. So you can come up here and you can pick your stock size, and it will give you the number of slices, and it will even give you a cut sheet. So this program is really powerful, and it kind of disappeared and reappeared, and I tracked it down tonight, so I figured I would share how to access it and some of the gotchas that I ran into. So starting with access, it used to be part of something called 123D Make, and then they moved it over to Fusion, and now if you try and look for 123D Make, it'll take you here, try Slicer for Fusion 360, but this link doesn't actually work. So I went over to Kevin's channel here, Product Design Online, really amazing, talented guy. And I went to his video, and he actually posted the link from the way back. So I'm going to share this link in his video, but that's where you get it. And you don't actually need Fusion 360. You can just download this app on Windows free and use it. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time explaining how to do it, but I will show you there's some cool things, like you can change the types of slices. Again, you can do like folded paper. And one thing that's great for 3-axis routing is you can do 3D slices, right? So if you could only carve, let's say, 2 inches on your X carve or something, you could actually get the 3D geometry to get some decent curves. One more gotcha that I will show you, and that is that this application does not offer you the ability to reorient your model. So if you want to, for example, press on the front or the right, and your model comes in upside down, well, that's just how it's going to be. You can't actually reorient in here. You can turn upside down and such, but if you want it so that the view cube is correct, so if you view on front, it's on the front, what I found is that I went into Mesh Mixer and I rotated it -90 on the x-axis. So you import your model and make sure that on front it's good, and then you come in here and you say T for transform, rotate -90 on the x, save the STL, open it up in here, and then it will be facing straight up. I think that's about it. Remember, you don't need Fusion 360. This is a standalone app. You can insert dowels, so that in your cut sheet there's holes to line all that up. There's all sorts of cool things here. Like you can, it'll show you the steps, the assembly steps. You see this? You can go like piece by piece, etc., and it'll show you how to do it. And then you export the plans to whatever, EPS, DXF, PDF. So thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Autodesk, for, I guess, still having it out there. It'd be really cool if you were to support this, because there's not a lot of apps that can do it. If you have tried this app, if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments, and happy making. All right.